This is how I help people make money. I have a program where people pay $1,000 for me to teach them how to make money from their knowledge, from their skills, and from their story. How to make money from their accounts, how to make money from their content. And someone was telling me, Apuli, how can you charge $1,000? And I was telling them, because I teach people how to make thousands of dollars. Now, if someone makes more money from what I have taught them, those who understand value, not cost, they will actually pay for it. But for you today, I'm going to show you how and what I teach them that maybe you don't even need to come to me. You can do it yourself. We use a 3-steps framework to create this value. Now, in the first step, we do what we call consolidate your genius. This is where we discover your genius zone. This is where we get your knowledge, what we call your proficiency. We combine it with your passion. This is proficiency, and this is passion. And we analyze a problem. This is a problem. What you love to do, what you can do, and what these two can solve. That gives us your genius zone. Now, this genius zone is what we monetize. We put together your abilities, your love, and a problem both your passion and proficiency can solve. Now you know where you can make money. Because if someone has a problem and for you, you love solving that problem and you have the necessary skills and knowledge to solve that problem, or you have a story, experience having gone through that problem, we know where we are going to charge people money. The next level is what we call codify your genius. Here we codify your genius. What do we do here? Simple. This is where we create a business model. We turn this into a business. We consider a solution here, which we turn into a product, and we look at the pricing and how we can pack it. Now, we look at the details. There are different types of products you can do in knowledge-based business. We have core products, we have ascension products, we have retention products, and there are different formats of product they are in. And then we also teach you how to price them so that you make more money in the shortest time possible. And we tell you how to put them together and sell together, what we call cross-selling and upselling. I'm just giving you a brief. Here, we create also a framework that you use to solve a problem. This framework could be in a coaching program, it could be in a workshop, it could be in a book. But what framework do you follow? The way we have this framework for us, for monetizing your genius, we have this framework that we follow, right? We also teach you how to create a 3 to 5 steps framework that you use to solve someone's problem. And then, lastly, we have what we call communicate your genius. Communicate your genius. Now, at this level, this is where we launch your product. But remember, to launch your product, we need to promote it and position it. But sometimes you don't know where to get the clients. Yes, you have a product. You have the knowledge. You've crafted a framework that is going to solve people's problem. But how do you get people interested? Meanwhile, in 1 week to 3 weeks, we teach you how to create content, how to position yourself, and how to reach your ideal client. Actually, before you finish the program, we have a principle that you must have made your first money from your knowledge, skills, and story before the program ends, or otherwise, we refund your money. Now, I created a free offer for those who just want to discover whether they have a monetizable skill, knowledge, story. If you want to find out your monetizable genius, just click the CTA here above my name that says interested and register, go apply. Someone from my team will reach out and schedule us for 5 days, 30 minutes each day. I take you a particular framework that will help you discover whether you have a monetizable genius. Whether you continue with me as your coach now to help you make money, or you find someone else, that will be up to you. If you cannot register, then you're not serious. But if you found any value in this video, comment, ask, share, or like. See you in the next video.